Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm gonna show you how I got these stunning glitter braids. I actually added very little amount of the metallic hair in the braids and they still turned out beautiful. You can add as much or as little as you want and they will still turn out stunning. I hope this video helps and enjoy.
I find it hard to swallow, and it hurts just to cry. I guess that's why I won't shed a tear. Get me out of my mind. I've had enough of this war zone. I've tried and I've tried. You give me rest for my weary soul. Yeah, you do. Feels like I've lost my fire, but you've got enough for me to go on again. Can't believe you're still with me throughout all my complaining, and your love will never cease. You're the one that I love. You're the one that I run to. You're the one. You're the one.